Texas Department of Transportation, or TxDOT, asked us to assist them with a project to facilitate the construction of a new bridge across Goose Creek in the Baytown, Texas area. We have held a contract with TxDOT since the mid-1990s, and over the years we have done dozens of projects for them and developed a very good relationship with their staff and their project managers. In this particular case, the bridge was old and needed to be replaced. They had already completed the geotechnical borings, and there were odors of petroleum and staining and evidence of possible contamination that was noted in those geotech borings. They asked us to do some additional investigation to see if there were environmental issues that they needed to be taking into account during construction. In particular, they needed to know if there were concentrations of chemicals that would make it unsafe for the construction workers, and also when the soil or sediment that was generated during the bridge construction project, how did that need to be handled so that it was in compliance with all the appropriate regulations. We completed several borings at the site and collected soil samples and sediment samples. We brought in a subcontractor that owned and operated specialized equipment where they could complete their borings from a raft that was in the water underneath and around the bridge, and obtained our soil cores and sediment cores that way. And by doing so and getting the chemical analysis from those samples, we prepared for TxDOT a soil and sediment management plan. That document provided them with a guidance for their construction activities and for the contractor that did the work building the bridge, so that they could in fact do that in a way that was safe for all the workers and did properly manage the soil and sediment that was generated as a result of the project. It was an enjoyable project to work on from the standpoint of being able to provide services that allowed TxDOT, our client, to complete a bridge and allowed them to get that bridge built, and to do so in a way that was safe for all involved and provided a nice new structure in contrast to the old one that was there, clearly a benefit to the citizens of the community.